उसूलों पे जहाँ आ जाए वहाँ टकराना ज़रूरी है, उसूलों पे जहाँ आ जाए वहाँ टकराना ज़रूरी है, जो जिंदा हो तो फिर जिंदा नजर आना ज़रूरी है. With this encouraged thought, a very beautiful and charming good afternoon everyone. I am Elise Gadaudi. I am a student of class 8. Today I am here to present my speech about kindness. Before starting my speech, I say some lines. Kindness is the most important tool. Kindness is the most important tool to spread love among humanity. There are many names of kind. Some are gentle, charitable, kind-hearted, and many more. Before someday Rakesh sir come in front of you to give us knowledge, he said about kindness. He say a small story. I say you. Once upon a time, a monk coming out Ganga after taking bath. At that time, one person put all the dust on monk. Monk said nothing and went to Ganga for bath. This thing done 5 times. The person was shocked and asked to monk, "Why not say me anything? I put on you dust." Monk said, "I want to say you thank you, because I took one time bath every day. Because of you today, I take many time baths." You not need to change other thinking. You need to change your thinking. प्रॉब्लम तो है सबके साथ, बस नजरिए की है बात. A simple definition of kind is a person who against wrong things, a person who care about his surrounding people, a person who give answer with calm is a perfect kind person. When the thing was wrong, you not do anything. You do with kind is a great example of freedom fight. Our country give answer British with kindness. He not do fight, he not do violence, he give answer with kind. A very perfect example of kindness is Gandhiji. Gandhiji were every time kind and prove that the time must be difficult. You ever kind. Never break your principle. Never stop your kindness. Gandhi's kindness, also known by Gandhigiri. In this picture, I can show you the example. In this picture, you can see the police officer of Himalaya take one leg broad. This is our country. What happened? Is this country that four greatest personality Gandhi, Tilak, Rabindranath Tagore and Madan Mohan Lal Malviya dreamed of? No, it is not. But I am not saying that kind will be end. In this picture, you all also see the small act of your kind change other life. At the last but not least, I say a small thought and very beautiful. The small act of kind is more than the great intention. Thank you.
Kindness is the ability and desire to have a positive impact on each other. A very good afternoon everyone. My name is Roshan Trevara. I study in class 8th. My topic is the power of kindness. Kindness is a simple concept yet so very impactful. It can make the world a better place by ending suffering at the hand of where hunger, human rights, violation and injustice. It has the power of drastically and improve of our well-being as well as that of our families, friends and strangers. Within the workforce, kindness towards one another can inspire employees and more productive and make business more profitable. Within our communities, kindness contributes of safer and cleaner schools and neighborhoods. Bob Carey once said, "Unaccepted kindness is the most full and most underrated agents in human changes." Every act of kindness creates a ripple effect that spreads with on and insight. To a person who kind is being happier and more satisfied with the life. So they have helped someone in need, which make them feel good. They also make their friends, teachers, and parents proud of buy from some things that make those around them happy. Thank you. Have a nice day.